Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making an immediate backup now. Open WhatsApp, go to Chat's Chat Backup, and hit Backup. Make sure you choose Google Drive or iCloud depending on your OS. This keeps messages and media in the cloud. Once done, confirm the backup time and file size so you know it succeeded. Also make sure you are on stable Wi-Fi and your battery is charging. Interrupted backups are incomplete and will cause restore errors on the new phone. On the new phone, install WhatsApp but do not skip verification. Verify the exact same phone number you used for the backup. Once verified, WhatsApp will detect a cloud backup and prompt you to restore. Accept that and wait while messages and media download. If you rely on a local backup from Android, copy the WhatsApp/databases folder into the new device first, then install and restore. Make sure your cloud account is signed in so WhatsApp can access the backup file. After restore, WhatsApp will rebuild your chat list. Give it a few minutes to fetch all media. You should verify messages in a few chats and confirm media appears. If something is missing, make sure WhatsApp has storage and file permissions, then try re-downloading from each chat. If the cloud backup isn't found, confirm you logged into the exact same Google or Apple ID and use the same phone number. If not, restore the local backup copy. Tip:
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.